Hello everybody, we're so glad you joined us today. I'm Connie with the Vegetarian Express, Spices247, and today we're going to be making a pesto pizza. It's one of my favorite ways to have pizza. It's a vegan pizza and I know you're just going to love it. We're going to be using our Greek Isle seasoning and our roasted garlic and Parmesan from the Vegetarian Express. We're going to be using some pizza sauce. For our toppings, we're going to be using fresh spinach. One of my favorites is marinated artichoke hearts and also some pineapple. It's going to be our pesto. It's what makes our pizza amazing. And we're going to be using mushrooms too. And you can use anything you want. You can put onions, you can put bell peppers, you can olives, anything. Just add what you like. The easy way is just to use a pita bread for your crust. All right, let's get started with our pizza. The first thing we're going to do is put our pesto on the bottom. We're going to spread that around. Get a nice, you don't have to put it on thick, but just enough to give it a good coat of it. A bit more here. Spread that really good all over so we can get good uniform flavor, right? Okay, then we're going to add some of our pizza sauce. And you can use any kind you like. I like to make my own. Make it homemade and spread that on. And try to get it to the edges. I don't like to have crust showing too much if I can help it. And then we're going to add some pineapple. And our artichoke hearts. Ooh, that's gonna make it so good. And some mushrooms. Mushrooms are really good for you, so I hope you like them. I know they're kind of a controversial topic, but I really do like them. So put those on. Load it down with all your good favorite vegetables, and then we're going to top it with some spinach that I shredded up a little bit. Okay, we're going to pop it in our pizza oven, nice and hot, and we'll take it out in a few minutes. Let's take our pizza out and see what we've got. Oh, it looks amazing. Can't wait to taste it. We're gonna let it, we'll cut it up and then we'll let it rest for just a second because it's probably gonna be too hot to taste. All right, well, let's get us a slice here and see what we've got. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. Okay, hopefully it won't be too hot and I'll burn myself. Oh, it is hot, but it is delicious too. So yummy. Elijah, you're not gonna want to miss this. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Are you still filming? Hello everyone, and we hope that you'll try our pizza recipe. And I want to just tell you a little bit about our Parmesan. It's a great natural product with no artificial goofy ingredients that you can't say. And this is our Greek Isle seasoning. It also makes a great salad dressing, or you can sprinkle it on your vegetables, and the roasted garlic makes a great dipping oil. Just sprinkle it on a plate, add some olive oil. The pesto, the Parmesan cheese you can use in any recipe that you would normally use Parmesan in. And so we want you to give it a try. Our website is thevegetarianexpress.com or spices247.com, and we'd love it if you'd like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, and we'll sign off for now.